would you like to build a waterfall? And I said, Brian, that sounds awesome. 2 weeks in Missouri, massive scale. And Sean and I got on an airplane, flew out to Missouri with really no idea what we were getting ourselves into. So one feature that might get overlooked that is just an amazing detail is the natural stone bridge and staircase pathway that takes you across the water feature and up around, twisting through up to the upper waterfall at the top. That took a lot of work to make it look so natural and perfect. All the flagstone that Alan and Sean cut to fit the space between some of those massive stone steppers. The big, beautiful natural stone bridge that continues across the top that's part of that walkway. Everyone's gonna focus in on the big, beautiful boulders and the waterfalls and all that stuff and the plants. They might skip out and forget to look at that amazing pathway. And it's funny when you watch the footage of like the family coming to see this feature at the end when it's all running. Nobody even walked on the staircase or used the pathway. Everybody made their own route, hopping over rocks and getting interactive with the feature, which is awesome. It's what you want, but it makes me think that that one detail is what people are gonna not pay attention to, but is so cool. So after spending 2 weeks on this project in Missouri, my biggest takeaway is how much you actually can accomplish if you have the right people with the right mindset in place. Everybody on this team is a world-class water feature artist. I can't say that enough. And everybody is a winner. They just want to win. They want to build the most amazing stuff anyone has ever built or seen. And when everyone has that right mindset, they're working together, rowing in the same direction, it's insane how much you can accomplish. To build this water feature from a totally blank canvas to completely done and running and gorgeous in 16 working days is insane. I would say every single day that we worked, we probably accomplished what a normal crew gets done in a week at home at a normal project. This project is important to me on a personal level for a few reasons. One, to be invited to be part of a team that's completely comprised of all artists of the year. These are the most talented, amazing waterfall builders ever. And Brian, of course, is probably one of the greatest waterfall builders there is. And to have all these guys working on a project like this, of this scale, of this value, to call and ask us to join and be part of it is a huge honor. And then just to be part of something this incredible, never mind the other guys working on it, just the feature itself is world class. You feel like you're literally in the mountains. It's insane. And I love everything about it. Every part of this experience, the guys we worked with, the rock, the homeowner, the setting, how it turned out, everything. I can't complain about one part of this. I absolutely would do another one of these water features. It's a big sacrifice to leave your company behind, to leave your family behind, to go and work on one of these projects. And every time, I know from this one that we worked on, but talking to the other guys who've done a bunch of these, every time you work on one of these, you leave a little bit of yourself there with the project. You're very exhausted, very sore, and you're pouring your heart into this build. So it's a taxing thing, but I 100% would do this again in a heartbeat. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that awesome stuff. But I also want to thank, from the bottom of my heart and Sean's heart, thank Brian and all the other guys involved in this project for having us out. We had a blast. We have all been friends for a long time, but after these 2 weeks together, you guys are definitely family. And I cannot wait for the next time we get to do this. And I love the fact that we're able to share this with all these people. So guys, check out their videos on the same project. Check out Team Aquascape. Everyone's gonna share videos about this, so give them some love too. And we'll see you on the next one.